When it comes to caring for a Rivian vehicle, the exterior is usually the focus. After all, these are adventuring vehicles designed to navigate muddy trails and rocky terrain. But what about the inside? Rivian uses unique materials in their interior, and unique materials require unique care, and that's exactly what the Rivian Interior Care Kit does. All products are designed to maintain the original factory appearance, meaning clean, dry to the touch, and non-greasy. Dash Pro prevents dust buildup on interior surfaces. This includes high-touch areas that get fingerprints and smudges, such as the dash, upper door panels, center console trim, and other plastic surfaces. Dash Pro applies a self-cleaning, dust-repellent ceramic coating where vibrations from normal driving prevent any dust buildup. Application is easy. Simply mist directly onto the provided microfiber towel and away from the vehicle, and then thoroughly wipe over the surface to be treated. Let the product sit for 1 to 2 minutes and then buff off with the provided microfiber towel. Besides keeping your dash dust-free, Dash Pro maintains the original appearance and is non-greasy. Upholstery Cleanser and Upholstery Cream. These two products perfectly maintain your seats, dashboard, console, and door panels without altering the factory appearance. The Upholstery Cleanser is designed to penetrate and lift and remove embedded contaminants like body oils and daily grime. The Upholstery Cream uses fermented maize extract to boost moisture absorption and promote pliability. It conditions to keep surfaces soft and comfortable. It's both non-greasy and non-slippery while maintaining the factory appearance. Timber Cleanser and Timber Coat. These two products clean and protect the Rivian's open pore wood veneer trim. Timber Cleanser removes embedded grime, skin oils, and smudges from wood trim. It maintains a dry, unfinished texture and appearance while preparing the wood trim for protection. Timber Coat applies an invisible layer of ceramic coating to wood trim. It prevents grime buildup and repels moisture to prevent warping while preserving the factory appearance and texture. Glass IQ cleans and protects interior glass and touchscreens. It removes light dust, fingerprints, and smudges while applying a hydrophobic layer of ceramic smudge-resistant protection. Glass IQ improves optical clarity and is ammonia-free and safe for tinted windows. Application is easy. Spray and spread over the glass and then let sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Afterwards, simply wipe off excess residues to reveal streak-free, optically clear glass. To ensure your success, this kit includes all the safe and correct accessories needed to apply and remove the products, including microfiber towels, terry cloth applicator, and dual head brush. Plus, they all come in this sleek-looking carry kit that you can keep inside of your Rivian. The Interior Care Kit is available on the Rivian Gear Shop. Head to the description below to download our Rivian Interior Cleaning Checklist.